gold outlook update. So last night or yesterday, we mentioned that we are leaning towards the bulls on the bullish side of gold, and also we are pointing out that 4,040 is actually the support that we're eyeing. No, and if this one breaks, we are looking towards 4,020 as our buy zone. But it actually didn't happen, and 4,040 is actually the support that holds, and also from there we saw this bullish engulfing candle. No? So yeah, so from there it went up continuously, and so we mentioned that we also have a buy stop pending order, which uh, indicated here. No, ito yung actual entry for the position. No, so we mentioned that at around 4,075, if that one breaks, then we can put our stop at below 4,060 level, because why is it that it's that big of a stop, no? So napakalaki. So you just need to compute it and also relate it with your lot size, whatever you're using, and that's actually computed, no, based on the ATR that we're seeing here. So we actually don't have that specific or amount based stop loss, no. You actually can compute it with the ATR para mas accurate tayo. And also, if 4,075 breaks and nag-pullback siya ng konti dito, stop out ka na if if tight yung stop loss mo. So you need to give it a room para mas maganda, no, para mas makabuela siya. And if it breaks, or if it still stops you, then that's okay, no, it's part of the risk. So from here, no, 4,075 it went down, then another bullish or bullish engulfing candle, no, it actually can or hit our target price area, which is the 4120. And so that's the update. And also, if you were able to get in here, you can actually trail it by putting your stop on a break even or even below this level, no, at the 4,093. But actually, it's a very big move already. You can also put your stop loss here at 4,121. So whatever happens, pipi ka pa rin naman talaga dyan. Okay? So what we are expecting now, what do we expect from gold from here? So we're expecting that it will continuously go up, because there's this US and Iran peace talks na it's still just a news, no? It's still just a rumor, and also it's not yet confirmed. Okay, but the market's always forward looking, as I always say. And what we want to see from here is that from this breakout, okay, this breakout, ito yan eh, no? Very big bullish candle, and we are at a 4-hour time frame. So this resistance proves to be correct and also respected for the longest time, and there's your breakout. So from here, we want to see a retest down below, and then we can target that upside. Okay? So purahin natin yung iba. Parang bukas-bukasan tayo dito, no? Yan. So again, you may move your stop loss at around 4,121 and also 4,093. Yan. So we want to have that. Yan. So this is how we want to position it. So it's still going to give us 1:2 risk reward ratio. This is our entry na kung papasok pa lang kayo. But if you were able to get in already from our previous trade, then you can just trail it, right? And also, we can try to target some other resistance levels. This one, okay? So there, and we can still put our stop loss here. And there you go. It's going to give us 1 is to 4.41 risk to reward ratio. And this is actually just targeting limited upside. We are not banking on that it will go back up to the moon, but rather we want to target these levels. And if they were taken out, no, so it's a big deal. It's a big deal. It may actually have that potential to go back to the all-time high, or even around 4.5 or 4.750. Okay, so on a longer term perspective, are we out of the woods yet? It may be that we are still within the longer term bearish trend. Okay, so there's a reason why we want to target this level for 172. Right? And that's it for our gold outlook update. Thanks so much for watching. And again, I want to invite you sa ating talagang community where we provide trade ideas and trade signals, specific trade signals, not just with gold, but of course with BTC and other peers. And also, if you want to have that one-on-one coaching session, you may message me there. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.